Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you how to play the next candlestick and next market direction live here on Binolla trading platform. So I'll be praising the next candle on this pair. I think the market is giving a red green pattern, so I'm going to sell. Alright, so I took a lower option here because you can see the market is kind of like moving red green pattern. You can see green red, so I'm expecting a red candle on the next. It's looking like a consolidation, but most of the time this pattern is going to hold for a while before the market expand. And that was why I went with sellers, and sellers already coming in. Let's see how it goes. While the trade is running, do to sign up with Binolla and use my promo code when making your first deposit or any deposit. You're going to get 50% deposit bonus. And do to subscribe and click the like button and comment. Alright, so the trade is running pretty well. Good sellers candle. That's an item for me. We have a few seconds. Okay, perfect. All right, so that was a good item, the first item for today. Let me see the 5 minute chart. All right, the candles are looking tiny on the 5 minute chart, but I'm sure we could likely get an expansion either higher or lower very soon. So I'm just going to sit back, observe the market, and observe the next candle. All right, the market is kind of like giving lower low, lower high pattern on the 5 minute chart, but this should be a retracement. The market breaks that low, it's going to continue selling. That's why I placed an alert there. All right, I'm seeing weak candle now. The market has broken the pattern of red green pattern, the candle formation. They may likely clear that low and buy, or if it breaks the low and keep on selling, then the market is going to sell. But I'm not sure about the next direction. I'm going to wait. I'm going to come back. All right, so I'm back again, and I changed the pair. The market was still consolidating there, so I had to change the pair to this one. Here I'm seeing a good signal. The market is going to be selling anytime soon. We are having a double top pattern, and I'm expecting sellers to bring the market down, so I'm going to be selling for the next 4 minutes at that level. Okay, that's a good entry. I'm going to sell there. All right, so I took a lower option here because of the formation here. You can see the double top pattern is a sign of reversal. That means the market is going to be selling, giving us lower lows and lower highs. So that's why I took a lower option. And from the 5 minute chart, you can see the double top pattern too. The 5 minute candle looks very clear for sellers to come in. So at the close of this current 5 minute candle, the market should reject. All right, so I'm going to observe and see how it goes. All right, so the trade is running, and I wonder, okay, I had an alert here. This market is breaking that low. I remember this was the first market I was trading. So you can see the consolidation now is trying to give lower low and lower high, but I'm just going to leave that pair. I would have to go back to the previous one. The market hasn't closed below the low yet, so I'm still skeptical about the market action. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy or if I'm going to sell. So patience is going to save you in times like this. Once you don't have a clear direction, you just have to wait for the best one. All right, so that's fine. I've seen all I need to see. I'm not having a clear signal there. This trade is still running. We have a few seconds more, and the item is not coming through. All right. Okay, so my trade, it's not coming. I'm just wondering why this trade is failing. I'm just wondering why sell hasn't come in. All right, so that was a fair loss. That was a fair loss. I'm going to observe the market very well because I'm still looking at this spread. So I wanted to see if I could get a recovery trade here, or since the directions are not clear to me, I'm just going to sit back and observe clearly where the next market direction should be going. I feel this market is still going to sell. This pair is still going to sell. High chances is still going to sell. At least it's sticking out the highs now. You should expect some reversals. We should expect some sellers. And I'll make sure I partake in that sell. But for now, it's not giving any clear setup. So like I said, patience, patience. The 5 minutes candle is already rejecting. So I just hope it doesn't go my direction after stopping me. I'm going to observe. All right, so you can see after the trades gave me a loss, the market has been dropping, 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 and I told you this market is going to sell. So it's giving us the pattern of lower lows and lower highs. But for now, I'm going to buy. Oh wow! So yeah, I took a higher option here because of the lower lows and lower highs formation. Since the market broke the low, I'm expecting the lower high. I saw some good confirmations and expect buyers to come into the market. So I'm trying to recover the previous loss and then come back in good profit. That level is a very good level for buyers to come in. So let's see how it goes. All right, buyers are coming in. All right, I like that push. The candle has turned around fully. Oh wow, wow, wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. I never expected that move. That's impressive. Okay, so that was a good item. I recovered and I came back in profit. But I still like this pair. I like the delivery of price on this pair. I'd still like to catch one or two good trades. I would have ended the video now, but with what I'm seeing, I'm still going to get some few trades. Okay, look at the 5 minutes chart. It's still giving a very, very good sign for sellers. That's a very, very good signal that the market is going to sell. So I'm going to observe again for a better setup and confirmations. So I'm going to sell this pair because from what I'm seeing here, the market is already at the all-time high. You're expecting sellers. All right, so you can see the markets traded up, sold, but I feel now it's ranging. The market could be ranging, so it's going to be buying from the lows and it's going to be selling from the highs. That's the current condition of this market. So with that being said, I'm going to be buying around this level for the market to trade up. to the next one above. So I'm going to be buying. You can see the pattern on the 1 minute chart. So the market failed to create a lower low, so that's enough signal for me to buy. But I'm going to be buying for 4 minutes. So there we go. I took a hard option here because you can see the market failed to go below this low, and I'm expecting it to buy to that level above. So since the market is ranging now, I've saw some few confirmations. I expect the market to give me to go in a range. So I expect buyers to come into the market from that level. And the candle is already rejecting, but the trade is going to run for 4 minutes. So I hope and I'm sure from all the analysis, buyers should be coming into the market. All right, let's sit back and observe this trade. All right, so you can see the trade is running beautifully well. I had a sniper entry on that trade. I'm going to sell there. All right, so like I said, the buy is already ending and it's going to be ending in a few seconds. So I had to sell because the market is already working in a range. Like I explained earlier, it's buying from the lows and then it's selling from the highs. So that level is a very good level, it's a key level. So I expect sellers to start coming into the market. But before they will come, the buy trade is already going to end. And there we go. All right, sellers are already coming in on this one. If I have an opportunity, I could still add more trades. Okay, fantastic. The buy was a win, and now I'm currently on the sell. I'm currently on the sells. I want the market to sell from the highs down to the lows again for the market to clear the lows. I've made some good profit today. Today is my lucky day. Did I say I'm lucky or I understand how the market is running? It can be luck. All right. The trade is running beautifully well. I like looking at it on the lower time frame. It moves faster, so I just get a better feel of the trade. I think I'm going to add more positions there. I'm going to sell again for the next 4 minutes. So I took a lower option there because, like I said, the market is within a range. These are the premium areas. These are the highs. The market should be selling from there. And at the lows, the market should be buying. That was why I was confident enough to add some few positions. The confidence on this trade is very, very clear to me. So I'm 95% sure that this market is going to sell. All right. Trade is running beautifully well. Let's see how it goes. Amazing. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying my videos, if you're learning a lot from me, and if you don't want to get confused, if the information is too much for you, do well to contact me. My contact details are below, so you can join the mentorship program where I'm going to unveil all the secrets that you need to know about analyzing the markets, picking the best trades, picking the best market, and having more edge to make profit from this platform. My contact details are below. So you need mentorship, you need the right knowledge to be able to scale. You can see the delivery of price here. The market is dropping so nicely, and the first position is running already, so it's going to end very soon. And that's another good item for me. This is amazing. This is amazing. Today is really a good day. All right, with the level of that candle, it's surely an item. All the trades, both the first and the second, are going to close as a win. The market is giving okay, amazing. So that trade has closed. So the market is already giving more candles in the direction of my trade. And I always tell you in my videos that the market is going to form the bigger candles in the direction of the market should form the bigger candles in the direction of your trade. That's what we call the order flow. So the order flow currently is bearish. The market is selling. You can see how just one red candle is covering all the green candles we had earlier. The order flow in this market is bearish, and the market is going to be selling for a lot more. Okay, these are beautiful trades with beautiful entries. All right, we have, let's think a minute. All right, the market took out the previous low, so I guess the market is going to be selling now. I have a few seconds to end my trade. This is a good trade. Beautiful delivery of price. So the market took out the previous low, so sellers might actually continue the market down, but I think that's enough for me today. I've made good profits, and I'll have to continue next time. So you can see the market structure on the 5 minute chart. Amazing, 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 amazing. Such a profitable day for me. This is beautiful. Currently on 4K. That's a very good profit for a day. And you can see the way I traded with precision, with confidence, no fear. I took all my trades and I maximized every profit. So if you want to learn more, do want to contact me. My contact details are below. Do want to sign up with Binolla and use my promo code. Drop a comment, hit the like button. I'm going to see you all on the next one.